This part of California has seen a lot of rain in the last few days, and this is a look at the creeks. These are little gravel creeks that I hunt through sometimes and stuff. And you can see there just muddy, churning. This is a big flat wide area, so it ain't too much white water, but every river in this part of mid-California to upper northern California looks like that right now. But underneath that is all new gravels and all new gravel beds. So it's officially a new season because everything is getting stirred up under there. So that's the report basically. You see, look, a piece of gravel. So, soon, my friends, soon. Good news, I sat here and watched one of these guys wait for the other one for 3 weeks, and I was so worried, sitting day and night just waiting and waiting and waiting all by himself. And now I drive by the day after a storm and there's 2 of them there. So they've met up and they're ready again to be mom and dad. So we're here to watch you guys through a whole nother season. Look, they're kissing in front of us. And it rained a whole bunch last night, and the water is literally all the way up to the base of their thing. There's the one telephone pole and then their replacement nest, and literally the water's at the base of the poles. It's happy days. Short little detail here, but tired of seeing them all end bad, you know? I'm glad that here's a happy ending for you. Hi, we're glad to see you guys. Happy spring. It's the 2nd day of spring. We'll see you guys later. We'll give you some private time now, right? He's like, yeah, dude. This is a young red tail. It's what they look like at first. They don't have red tails. Their wings have a real characteristic checkered white and black pattern, and their chests are mostly red. He's a youngster in his first year out hunting, but he flew up and landed right next to me. Didn't realize I'm here yet. It's like, where's that voice coming from? Right here, buddy. An accidental hide. You see his tail feathers at this point are actually a black and white stripe to match his wings. And later on that'll all switch around. His body will become more of a gray and brown, and his tail will become red. There. Some nice shots of the color. Real great patterns. So sometimes when you find the black and white striped feathers on the ground, they're not wild turkey, they are young red tail.